Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tapelo Motalani. Today I'll be presenting assignment 2 of FOO1602, student number 24032670. Today the equipment that I will be using to prepare my salad, I've brought my knives, my knife sets. I have the meat cleaver, the chef's knife, the serrated knife and the paring knife, a scissor, a peeler, a knife sharpener and a whisk. Measuring spoons, measuring cups, salad server spoons, my strainer to wash my veggies, and my whiteboard, the all multi-purpose board. Okay, to prepare my salad, I have to make sure that my mise en place is in order. I have my red onion, I have my fresh cucumber, I have my carrots, I have my bell peppers, and I have my fresh lettuce. Okay, so now we're going to cut our vegetables, but first I have to wash my hands to ensure that the hygiene standards are kept in place, and I would also like to rinse my vegetables to ensure that they are clean. Great. So the first vegetable that I'm going to cut is the red onion. I'll be using my chef's knife. I'm required to cut it into the Brunoise pieces. So this is how it's going to go. And peel off my skin. The reason I'm holding this onion is to make sure that it's kept in place. And now I go sideways. Using the tip of the knife. And that's when I'm coming through to have my Brunoise cut. You can see, come closer, you can see the cuts that we've been looking to achieve. It's the Brunoise cuts. Thank you. Okay, remember to keep your working station clean. That's my B. Okay, that's my Brunoise red onion. After I've cut my onion, I have to clear up my station to be ready to cut the next vegetable, which will be the carrots. And to wash my hands. Next up, it's my carrots. I have two Jullienne, or it's the French cut. Like you have the carrots to be in like stick shape. So to do this, you have to first cut the ends and then cut it in half. Now I have two equal parts. Then you have to square it, cut the sides. So it can stay in place. Yes. Now you cut it in strips. And that's when you cut it. There you have it. Look at that. This is the Jullienne Carrots. Absolutely beautiful. Put it on the side. There you go. Our next item will be the cucumber. We have to cube it. Also, to do this one, you cut the ends, throw away, and cut it in half. And you first go inside, then turn it, and then go inside, and then chop. And we can put it on the side. Nice cubes on the cucumber. Don't forget to wipe your knife after cutting each vegetable. Next up is our bell peppers. So here we are required to make the Macedoine cuts. This is how it's going to go. First get rid of that. There are many ways to cut your peppers, but I love this way. It gives me nice. See, I have this beautiful tree here, and I can replant my seeds. Now with the Macedoine, you have to have the strips. And remember, with pepper, you have to cut on the inside and not on the outside. And make your strips. There you go. Make your strips when you cut your peppers into Macedoine shape. Now with the strips, you want to make them into smaller dices, smaller like an inch, like it's more like the Brunoise cuts. They just differ in the size. There you go. The bean. Thank you. And there you go. Your bell peppers, Macedoine carrots. Item is our lettuce. It's very important to wash the lettuce thoroughly and to remove the stem. So you wash it, open it, make sure the water is going through. Make sure the lettuce is washed thoroughly. There you go. They said the lettuce must be crushed or minced. So I'll take my lettuce and then I'm going to crush it. Okay. This is where we don't want the excessive white thingy. They are bitter in taste. A trick to mince or to crush your vegetable is where you hold your knife and let it swing. Then you get the fine pieces of your vegetable. There you go. Now we have the minced or crushed lettuce. Let's put it on the side and then we will be done. Sure. And here are our different cut vegetables, our julienne, our brunoise, our Macedoine, our cube, and our crushed lettuce. And now we're moving to our next batch of ingredients where we'll be preparing the vinaigrette salad dressing. We have our salt, our white pepper, our poppy seeds, our ginger, mustard powder, our honey, olive oil, and our white vinegar. And this is the bowl that I'll be mixing my ingredients in. Okay, I will be preparing my vinaigrette. First of all, I need they said 0.5 ml of salt, so I'm going to use half of 1 ml. So I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. That is 0.5, and it said that we need a pinch of white pepper, a pinch of ginger, and a pinch of mustard powder. 2.5 grams of poppy seeds. 2.5 grams of poppy seeds. And now moving on to my wet ingredients. And now we are doing 1 meal of honey. 1 meal of honey. Oh, look at that. And next up we have 30 ml of olive oil. And 15 ml of white wine vinegar. And I'm going to use my whisk to mix everything together. Absolutely amazing. This is how it looks like. And once everything is mixed together, we put in the fridge for 1 hour. And now we're going to serve our salad. First, wash your hands. Our lettuce. Cucumber. Our bell pepper. Our carrots. And our onion. And now let's get our vinaigrette. It looks absolutely amazing. Voila! And there we have it, our beautiful salad with our homemade vinaigrette. Stunning. Thank you. Delicious.